This morning, as you could see from the previous video, I took the short on this trade and I hit a 1 to 5 passing my accounts on the live stream from this morning. Bullshit, we're still in this trade. We've just passed the account. All on live. Hit a 1 to 5, you know. You're mad. That's him. W's in the chat, boys. Just passed my account. Actual beautiful stuff, Brandon. Bang. W's me. Yes. W, bro. And still going. And that's how you do it, boys. That's how you do it. W's in the fucking chat. Come on. Mate, I'm gassed. Right. I'm going to go gym, boys. Before I go, though, is there any questions? Anything anyone wants to know? Yeah. If you want to join the London Lives, make sure you get in. But yo, another day. I think today's looking pretty clean, you know, on NASDAQ. I think it's looking pretty clean. We've got a buy area there. And I mean, shorts there, realistically. We'll see how this opens. We may adjust. Now, what I do predict will happen is that market open price will come up, bounce off of this shit, and we could potentially get aggressive on shorts. But we are in a downwards trend, as you can see right now. So, and we're in this like channel. So we shall see. But hopefully it doesn't break out before market opens. You alright, babes? Market's about to open. I can't probably speak right now. But alright, market's just opened.
Huh. You think YM's gonna explode to the upside right now? It looks like it might, but I'm gonna wait for NQ to drop. Wow, she's dropping. Let's wait for a closure. I really want to see him correlate. I'm gonna actually step off from YM. He was looking really nice. Sells. I missed it. Fuck.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in, boys. I'm on the sell.
I think sells are perfect for NQ right now.
I've sold. See how this runs.
Let's take a look at ES because it probably didn't hit the thing yet.
Hopefully this just drops how we like it. We are in a channel, so hopefully we just come down, take the trade, and be on with our day. Come on, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Order filled.
There we go. Winning day just like that, boys. Just fucking like that. Easy peasy. 1 or 2, hit. Lovely stuff. Be on with our day. I'm jumping off the stream. AJ didn't take that trade. I'm out. Yo, Bears, what you saying? Did you take a trade as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers!
Yeah. I made only did it on 5. I made $521.
No, good, babes. Good. Just keep it that way. So there we are, boys. That trade was very, very quick. Now, I get a lot of people messaging me like, yo, why didn't you trail it? Why didn't you trail it? Look, I have 6 accounts running. I don't need to trail it. I just need my piece of the pie every single day. I need the consistent hits. I don't need to be greedy. Now, we could trail this. We could have trailed this. But right now, like I said, I'm just sticking to my system. There we go. W 1 to 2. Wednesday, 1 trade. That was a 49-second trade, boys. Apologies there, boys. I don't mean to lie, but it actually wasn't 49 seconds. If we go to today, it was actually 32. Unreal there. There we go. 2 winning days in a row on the fucking charts. This morning in a London session, we hit a 1 to 5. Right, yo, boys. Day 3, we just hit a fat lick. We took 1 out, and then we just, bro, I held this shit to a 1 to 5. W's in the fucking chart. Yeah, man, they were winning this morning. That's pretty much every fucking day. I mean, bro, couldn't start the month any better. So, yeah, man, let's go for a payout this month, boys. Let's hit that 10k payout this month if we keep up with this rate. So, like you see, it's actually bouncing off of the channel I drew there, boys. So, again, another reason why I was out. Yo, boys, so just for the proof of the pudding now, as you can see, this is Tradesyncer. This is how I track all my trades and also how I sync across multiple prop firms. Because as you can see, I'm trading on Topstep, but I have 5 Apex accounts underneath, right? 550Ks. As you can see, the profit there on all the accounts, right? Up $400 across all the accounts. Now, if you want to see the P&L card for the day across these accounts, the P&L across all the accounts looks like this. Let it load. You get this every day with Tradesyncer. 2.3k, $2,342 across all my 6 accounts. As you can see there, bish, bash, bosh. We're now out of drawdown. When I first passed them Apex accounts, I went on a big losing streak, as you all know, last month. NASDAQ was... so, yeah. Made them back to break even, so we're all good. And now the plan for the rest of this month is to basically go for a fat fucking 10k, 6k payout, right? We're going to pull out 2k from every account. So I've got to make 4% within the month. So basically, if I can make 1% a week, I'm on track. So that's basically making $1,000 per week. So we're up 600. If we get one more winning trade tomorrow, we've made our 1%. Then obviously we've got to incorporate losses and shit like that. So it might be a month, maybe a month and a little, like a month and a week or two, depending on how this month actually goes. But I'm taking it very slow, $200 risk. I'm allowing 10 losses in the tank, 10 losses. When I start to pull out more capital from my trading, I will start to up the risk because I will be so much more detached from these funded accounts, meaning I can just risk heavier, make more.
Setup mode.
The fuck? I don't know what that's about. But I can pull more out of the accounts faster and quicker, and if I blow them, it is what it is. It's an ROI game. As long as I know I can get the skill first and nail down the skill and slowly take out profits from the market consistently, that's a big thing. I don't just want to do this one time. I want to be able to do this month after month. But yeah, so here's the week how it's looking so far. London session was a W. I just blew the account on purpose for fucking shits and giggles. I'm being a bit silly. It was a W. 1 or 2 yesterday. Oh, shit! But there we go. We closed the position. Finally hit. How are you able to hold trades this long, bro? Because I do this shit, man! Man, we're passing accounts. Today, I hit a 1 to 5, passed another account. I held this shit to a 1 to 5. W's in the fucking chart. Yeah, man, they were winning this morning. New York session, I passed an account on Top Step on Monday. Tuesday, 1 to 2. And today, another 1 to 2 Wednesday. So, let's fucking write it on the board, boys. +2. There you go. Cheeky shit, man. Been a good week, good start to the month so far this week. Hopefully it keeps up. This is the nice normal momentum that I like. I don't like it when it's fucking, yeah. But probabilities, it's all a statistics game. So as long as I get the skill, understand the probabilities, yeah, it's locked in. Fucking keep it moving. So yeah, boys, as you've seen there as well, I didn't really take much notice of AJ's trade today, session today, because yesterday I was way too deep into it. Today I was like, I'm basically trading alone today. I'll hear the commentary, but I'm not watching it. And there you are, boys. Bosh. 32 fucking seconds. Now, the Apex accounts as well, boys. I am passing an Apex account every single day. And it runs out today, so use the code LOCK-IN. 90% off all your evals. Come join me on the London Lives. Because I'm running up and I'm getting all my funding accounts for the London session. I'm going to do the exact same thing I've done in New York, but for London. So I'll have 2 portfolios running, 2 separate trading portfolios of capital. And then if we start pulling out 10k, 20k months in the next couple months, that'd be cheeky. And then we'll run it up to 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 bags. Boys, just before we get into the next part of the video, right? This is just a moment and a very, like, different kind of style, like, moment I'm going to inject into the video. And I did this today on my lunch. I went out for lunch. I'd edited the morning video and I'd edited the trade. I traded with the group and I went for lunch with my cousin. And yeah, I'm going to put this in. So keep this on for the record because this will get cropped. This video that you're about to see that I'm about to put in, one day is going to get cropped. It's going to get clipped. I'm going to document this moment right now because it's really weird. Now, you've never seen me like this on the channel, right? But like, I don't know, man. I'm just like I was driving here and I could see the dream car. I could see it. I could feel it. Like, bro, everything, like everything. So, yeah, boys, if I just drop it, but like, and I was just thinking about like, what's motivating me? Why am I keeping going? Because all I've been doing these past few days and weeks and months is just like editing, trading, business, studying, backtesting. At the same time, I've been losing all my last dollars, losing all my last pounds, losing all my last bit of money, investing everything I get back in. back in, lose it all, and then I have to wake up and do the same thing every single day, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? Where's the motivation? Like, making 25, 30-minute videos a day and then chopping it all out, bro. And I'm like, cause yo, bro, I need to show that this shit's possible. Everyone shows you the journey when they've already done it. Everyone shows you the journey without ever seeing them on a demo account, without ever seeing them blow the accounts, without ever seeing them lose money, without ever seeing them in the days where they can't afford shit, in the days where they're struggling for dough, bro. And I'm like, I have to keep on going. I am the guy who has to show that this shit is legit, this shit is possible. And if you really fucking try hard, like really try hard, like to a point where it's like mentally absurd and fucking wipes you everything else out of your life and mind, besides this one thing, just having to make it work, like the fucking rent is due, bro. Like, you just gotta keep going. You've literally just gotta keep going. Like, for example, right now, it's all very metaphorical. I can't even see where I'm going right now. I just have to take the path in the road that I can see ahead of me, because I know that's gonna lead somewhere. And I think what people are trying to do too much is they try and see beyond the road, right? They try and see beyond the road, and they cannot fathom how they're going to get there because they can't see the road where they actually are trying to travel to. But that's why you just got to start. And every single day, you're going to get closer and it's going to become more clear. And it's at a point now where I feel so clear with this shit, like I've just mentioned, to the point where it's putting me into tears. Like, I can already see it, I can already feel it before it's even happened. Now it's gonna sound some like hippie shit. People can say what they want, they can say I'm weird, they can say I'm crazy, they can be like, oh, yo, he's lost his mind. But I fucking probably have lost my mind, but I swear down, I can see this shit so clear, like, I can literally feel the fucking steering wheel. I can see my guy on the left of me. I can see he's in this country. Oh, bro, it's mad. It's mad. But yeah, big up the fucking the frog. But I thought I'd just have to pull up on the side of the road and document this journey, this moment real quick, because it's just surreal, man. Like, bruv, it's gonna happen, boys. I've already seen it. I've already seen it. I've never been so confident. It's never been so. It's just right there. But I'm being tested right now. You know what? Just gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep on pushing. Gotta keep on pushing. And eventually we'll get there. A lot of the fucking boys. Love every single one of you supporting. If you've been watching these videos from day dot, big up to all of you. I wish you all nothing. I wish you all nothing but success. I wish you all more knowledge, more power every single day, every single trade, within the charts, within your life, within everything, every aspect of your life. Nothing but success. Even for those hating on me. You guys need the wishes more than anyone if you're hating on me. But it's all love at the end of the day. But yeah, I better carry on with this drive. Whew. Literally just in the clouds.